have her. The E92 M3 in its glory. It's been my dream car for about 2 or 3 years, ever since I got into cars actually. You know, my first car being a E98 328, I was like, damn, like I fell in love with BMWs in particular, and you know, just seeing like all the BMWs and like the M's, it got me really hooked into these cars. So I set a goal saying in about a year or 2, maybe even 3 if it has to take that long, like I'm gonna get this car because I just fell in love, you know. And so I worked my ass off, you know, do what I had to do, stay on that grind, and eventually, you know, my dreams came true, and that's why I'm here, you know, with the E92 M3. And the reason why I got like this, I guess, spec, you would say, like I needed comp, right? I needed the carbon roof, I needed Fox red interior or the two-tone with the Fox red and the black. Honestly, it just appealed to me, like the white, and like with the carbon, you know, everything, it just looked so perfect. So I told myself, I have to get this one with these certain like specifications. So like if it wasn't this, I probably wouldn't choose any other. Like I had to wait for the right moment, and eventually I came across this one, and I'm like, you know, I have to pull the trigger. I can't like let this one go. Future plans with the car, honestly, I want to start a little community within my neighborhood and my friends. So I really want to expand the channel into where I know a lot of people, you know, in the BMW community or car community as well. And you know, I just want to capture my moments, my experiences, and you know, just relive them when I'm old. You know, like I'm not really trying to become like make money off of it. It would be a plus if I did, but my main goal is just to, you know, enjoy the car for what it is and just make great memories with the people I love. In terms of performance wise, with the car, you know, I need to get an exhaust because, as I've said, this car sounds very quiet for what it is, you know, and what the sound can make. I need to get an exhaust, you know, get intakes, get maybe even a wrap in the future. Well, I mean, for now, like I don't really want to do too many to it, just enjoy it for what it is right now. Possibly get the throttle actuators done, as I haven't done. I've done the rod bearings, but I have not done the throttle actuators. But it's something I plan on doing before I move on. But I mean, those are the plans for now. And as you can see, guys, this interior is immaculate. So many things I want to do with it. It's just the beginning, guys. I was supposed to make this video a long time ago, but my videos were all over the place, so I decided to work with what I had. Look, guys, do you guys like my car? Look.
I just don't got the comp wheels on it. That's the only
I have to
thing.
change them.
Yeah, soften out.
I appreciate it, Malcolm. This is,
Carter sunroof too?
yeah, a little gift for my guy. I'll be keeping it in there too, you know.
Same ride height, same exhaust. Oh wait, less exhaust.
Less exhaust. I think I have to get. Follow that boy. Right now we're headed to M-Tech Auto Care. I'm about to drop off these customized hoodies made by yours truly, aka me. Yeah, I want to get their reactions and see what they think about these hoodies, you know. Cause I made it with love, cause these guys deserve it, you know. M-Tech Auto Care deserves the best. So yeah, we'll see what they say, guys. Before we go to M-Tech, I just want to show you guys what I have for them. So I got this design made, and I think it came out really nice. I think they're gonna love it. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I think it came out really nice. 2 hoodies, one for EJ and one for Irvin. So, you know, maybe we might make more of these. I might make more of these and eventually sell them, you know. But I mean, this is the tech I go to, I trust these guys with my life, and this is where my girl goes to get fixed up. So we're here at the shop. I'm about to drop off the goods. But wow, look, it's beautiful E36. The car yellow, I believe. It is just really beautiful. I think if I were to go for any yellow, it'd definitely be the car yellow. It's one of my favorite yellows out here. This is the shop. So I'm gonna introduce to you guys the people that do amazing work on it. Here we. What's up, EJ? You don't mind if I record? So this is EJ. Something for you. You know, check it out. Check it out.
Really
For you and Irvin. Is Irvin here?
Irvin is the event to get a haircut.
Check it out. It's one for you and one for him.
Cool.
You guys decide which one you guys want.
Beautiful, man. Thank you very much.
What you check the other one? They're different.
Okay. I am a little dirty, but you know, it's beautiful.
So you guys choose.
Nice. Beautiful. There we go, guys.
Like I said, guys, if you guys need anyone to work on your car, specifically BMW or in the San Fernando Valley area or Los Angeles area, this is the place. This is the like specializing in BMWs. I've been coming here for 3 years, so like I said, his work speaks for itself, and I definitely recommend him. This is Malcolm's car. Here, look, he's getting his work done, but he'll be back soon, you know. Malcolm will be back.
It's my size too.
Looks good. You see, look, now everywhere he goes, he represents his own shop.
I'm gonna wear him double.
But he's very busy, guys, as you can see. But this is EJ, so he does all the work and the maintenance on my car, and you know, without him, my car wouldn't be here where it's at. But you know, I'll tag him in the description, and we'll see. You know, if you guys ever need anything, just let him know that Diego sent you. You know.
Cool.
And so I've been coming to the shop for about a little bit more than 2 years, almost 3. You know, I'm telling you, the work speaks for itself. I met them when I had my 328, my old E90. But like ever since then, like I would go to the different mechanics. They would like do poorly jobs on my car, and like I would have to go to a different place because like the leaks, it would still happen. You know how BMWs are very like, they break down in the oil leaks. Yeah. And then when I met EJ, you know, this shop is a one-stop shop. You know, they do everything you need for your BMW, up to like engine rebuilds, rod bearings, crank hooks for your S55. You know, they do everything. As EJ certified master technician, like I'll tell you guys, these guys won't do you wrong. They like, everything's good about them. So if you really need a mechanic or anyone who works on BMW, this is the place to go, guys. Trust me. Very, very high quality. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm telling you right now, there's a lot coming, like a lot of content that I'm gonna be making for you guys, and you guys definitely do not want to miss out.